is wiping out. Meanwhile, I'm turned as fuck. I left my pizza in the oven, that bitch burnt as fuck. A lot of cheese.
Hello YouTube, and today we're making how to add that camera lens onto your thumbnails. So today we're just gonna go on PixArt. It's pretty easy. It's probably gonna be a short video. If you don't know how to add that camera lens, that 3D camera lens camera frame on your videos, just keep on watching. So what I'm gonna do is just click the white background. So if you already made your thumbnail and everything, well, if you haven't made your thumbnail yet, just follow me. It's not going to be a thumbnail tutorial necessarily. It's just going to be how to add that camera frame onto your thumbnails like big YouTubers. So you're just going to do the resolution length. So I already have a thumbnail, but I'm just going to click on it for this video. So I'm just going to probably like zoom it in a little bit so you won't see that video overlay. But you still can see it, but I don't know, but you're just gonna, excuse me. So I basically got this video overlay from Messiah. You can get it from one of his videos. You basically gonna type in. You basically can go to stickers and then hold on. You're just gonna go to stickers and then you're gonna click one of these, but you basically gonna do like this. You place on your videos. It's pretty easy, it's pretty self-explanatory, but if you don't know how to do that 3D effect, you basically go to perspective and then you can change it. You see, you can do something like this, but I suggest you to have your transparent video frame on your videos. So just basically you can do like this. So you guys get the point. It's pretty easy video. It's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. You know, you can see how I add that video frame in the video. So I hope you guys found it helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for
No nigga, no, and I fear no bitch, no, that's why I trust no nigga, no.